A song
Sweet prince of mine.
takes me back. My mother used to sing it to me when I was little.
Sweet prince of mine.
Mother.
Good night. I don't know the rest, but I'll just make something up. I'm sorry, Loid, for everything.
When I was a little kid, although I can't remember her face anymore, I loved being in my mother's arms. There could be bombs falling outside in the distance, and I'd still sleep soundly when I was with her, because she was so strong. Not a single person out there ever tried to save me. I was completely alone and powerless in the world. Only thing I could do was cry.